How to unlink email from TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to unlink email from TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I'm going to my TikTok app, and at the bottom of my screen I have my profile. I'm going to my profile. Now make click in the three horizontal lines on top of the screen. Go to settings and privacy, and now get into the first option, account information, and here you have your phone number, your email, and your account region. So in my email, I can verify my email by now. I will have to go to that email. I'm going to verify it right now. So TikTok has sent me a code. I will have to go to my Gmail. So basically, you will have to add the code if you want to link a new email account. But if it's the case that you already have an email account and you want to unlink that account, you'll have to press again on email. And in this new menu, you have two options. You can change the email or you can unlink the email. So by now I'm going to unlink the email. They're going to give me some warnings about it so I can continue to unlink my email address. And that's it. This is how you can unlink your email from TikTok. Thanks for watching.